This is how you make monkey bread. First you get cinnamon rolls that look like this, except this is a picture of a cinnamon roll. Then you get caramel. Then you need a bun cake pan that looks like this. And then you gotta make the frosting. You use vanilla, powdered sugar, and you'll also need some milk. Add a little bit of everything except the powdered sugar. Use a lot of that. Matters on how much you want to make. If it gets too hard to mix, add a tiny bit more milk. And this is what it will look like, except full. When the monkey bread's finished and taken out of the oven, press it and then flip it, put it on a plate. Hold the pan together and let go until it's all out. And that's the recipe how to make monkey bread. Bye!